Okay, in this video, we need to find the equation of the line with slope 1 and passing through the point -4, -8. We need to write our equation in the form y equals mx plus b. So one way to do this is using the point slope formula, which is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Now our y and x are just going to stay as y and x because in our final formula, we need to have y and x just as themselves. But x1 and y1 is where we're going to plug in the ordered pair, and m is our slope. So let's go ahead and do that. This one would be our x1, this would be our y1. So we have y minus, now y1 is -8, so I would recommend doing parentheses so you remember that -8 equals m, which is 1, times x minus x1, which is -4. Okay, so we have minus a -8 becomes y plus 8 equals, I'm going to simplify in those parentheses first, 1 times x plus 4. Let's go ahead and distribute that 1, which we can see isn't going to change anything. So y plus 8 equals x plus 4. Now our last step is we need our final form in y equals mx plus b, so we'll just subtract the 8 over, and we get y equals x minus 4. So again, the steps to do that, we plug in x1 and y1s, or that ordered pair, into x1 and y1 in the point slope form. We plug in the slope for m. Make sure you use parentheses where there's negatives, and then you're just going to finish it and solve. Make sure you end with solving for y.